Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can clean your brakes on a Hyundai Kona, because obviously being an electric vehicle it will just use electric braking. So basically you're going to have your rear disc especially very corroded in time, and then you're going to replace it because they are corroded. In order to clean it, you can use the paddle on the shifter here. You can go down to the generation 0 like that, and then obviously when you brake there will be no regeneration, so you should brake only on its own mechanical brake. But if you can do it another way, you could accelerate and then you can just press on the neutral button there. Let me show you. Press that one, and now it's free. It's in neutral and it's just freewheeling. You can use brakes and there will be 100% braking from the brakes, and then just press drive back and keep going. And like this you're gonna have your brake discs and pads use a bit, and then you're gonna have all your discs clean. So that's how you do it. Two options: you can use the paddles on the screen, or just put it in neutral when you're going downhill or going high speed and you're gonna stop at the red light. Put in neutral, brake until you almost stop, and you put it in drive. And there's no problem if you put it from neutral to drive or drive to neutral. Just don't put it in reverse because it just won't go. So that's how you do it. Right guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you do find it informative, and I will see you on my next video.